Hello Taurus and welcome to Are You Ready Tarot. My name is Jennifer and today I will be doing a message from Spirit to you. This is what Spirit wants or needs you to know at this time. We're going to pull some letters and see what letters come out. It could be your name, people around you. It could be your initials, people around your initials. I could say your name if I don't, and the letters, it doesn't mean the message isn't for you. Just the names that I say, the message is specific for them. They especially need to hear something. I am doing personal readings. If you would like to get a personal reading from me, the information is in the community post. If you would like to donate to the channel, that information is in the description box. So let's get started. Let's see. T J B L V Z. We have the letter M. And the letter A. So, let's see. Tom, Tommy, TJ, Jackson, Lincoln, Malcolm, Melanie, Marvin, Marcus, Adam, Abigail, Bam. Something explosive is about to happen. Taurus. Some of you could be in London, going to London, the Virgin Islands. Some of y'all could be getting a really good idea. Spirit, what's the message for Taurus? What do Taurus need to know? Message for Taurus. What's the message for Taurus? We have dance with life. Do something to change your energy. Could be a really strong energy shift for you at this time. I keep hearing the word explosive. Something explosive is about to happen in your life. Something could be bringing you a lot of joy. You could be dancing at the beat of your own drum. Taurus, let's see. What else, Spirit, do Taurus need to know? Oh, thank you. That flew out. We have reflect on your priorities. So it's time for you to find out what is important to you. Let's do one more. Thank you. And we have be humble. So yes, something is about to happen in your life very unexpectedly. And when it happens, you're going to have to remain humble. I'm hearing stardom. I'm also hearing riches. So you could be coming into some form of fame, some form of money, finances. Let's see. You have an explosive beginning happening. Had this at this time coming towards you. Taurus, message for Taurus, Heavenly Father. What's the message from Spirit that Taurus needs to know at this time? Message for Spirit, message from Spirit. What does Spirit want Taurus to know at this time? We have the Page of Swords. The Knight of Pentacles and Strength. So, well, this is not what I wanted, how I wanted to do it, but this is the way. Let's get some more cards. It's like something's coming towards you that's going to give you great power, Taurus. It's going to give you the ability to conquer any challenges. This is something new, but at the same time, oh, we have the Devil. At the same time, it's new to you, but it's going to be something easy for you to learn. Easy. It's like it's new to you, but I'm getting a sense that it's not. You know how you have things that you've never done before, but it feel like you have? Is the energy that I'm getting. Very confident about what you're doing with this Queen of Wands. Very confident, very sure of the outcome. Very sure of what you're doing and who you are. With this Devil card, it's like this strength and confidence can feed into, I'm hearing your dark side with this Devil card. It's like feeding into your ego, making you very controlling, maybe even a little manipulative in what you do and your actions. But the Hierophant card is at the bottom of the deck. Stay in tune to your belief system. You need to stay in constant contact with the divine, with God. Don't forget your faith and what's important to you. I feel like it might be a time where you lose sight on what's important. Reflect on your priorities. Yeah. It's like, don't forget who you are and like the person that you truly want to be. Don't let this wealth, this fame get the best of you. Some of you could be dancers. Some of you can be actors in some form of way in the art world, but I feel like you're getting a lot of recognition. You have a lot of power. People listen to you. People are drawn to you. It's a lot of power and energy is what I'm feeling. So let's see. A new way of life for you. I feel like you have a lot of eyes on you at this time. You can be an influencer with this Page of Swords. I'm seeing you like starting off really slow and things progressing at a rapid pace. And it has you kind of caught off guard, where you're not grounded in who you are. Let's see, let's clarify. Spirit, clarify the Page of Swords. What do Taurus need to know in regard to the Page of Swords? Heavenly Father. We have the Knight of Swords. The King of Wands. And the Four of Wands. You're running head first towards something you're very passionate about. It's something you're very passionate about. Very outspoken. And you will be celebrating and celebrated. A lot of attention, a lot of recognition is what I'm getting. Clarify the Knight of Coins. We have the Hierophant. The King, the Knight of Cups. If you notice, there's a lot of knights out here. We have 3 out of the 4. So, I see you getting a lot of flowers, a lot of recognition, a lot of love from people. This could be been something that you have been praying for, asking divine for. We have the 2 of Cups and the 8 of Cups. This is giving me branching out on your own. The 2 of Cups is a card of union, but I feel like you're branching out on your own. You could have been in a working with someone or working for a company, and now you're branching out and doing your own thing. You could be starting your own production company, dance studio. It's like you're branching off to bigger and better things. Clarify strength. 5 of Swords. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, see, that's that collaboration. And a 9 of Wands. So, 9 of Wands. So, yeah, you could be branching out. You know, maybe you and this person that you've been collaborating with aren't seeing eye to eye now. And you feel like you need to spread your wings, is what I'm hearing. It's like you want to spread your wings, but this person is fine where they are. You feel like you have more to accomplish, more to do. And you're standing on that. See, yeah, you want more out of life. You're going after the more of life. Dance with life. It's like it's time for a change. You may have become bored, discontent with the way things were going. It may have been like a Ferris wheel, same old, and you want to see something, do something, be something more. Clarify the Queen of Wands, Spirit for Taurus. What do Taurus need to know? We have the King of Swords. All of the kings, well, no, all of the knights except for one is out. So we have the King of Swords. We have two of the kings out. So you're going towards something with passion. Knowledge on life. It might not be knowledge of exactly what it is you're still learning something, but you have knowledge of it, but not expertise. But you're gaining expertise with the Emperor card coming out. This is a boss, a ruler, one that knows where they're going and what they want to do. So this is that confidence. This confidence that you have. Nothing's going to stop you. You're going to push through. King of Pentacles, towards your stability. Pushing through towards your stability. But let's find out what's going on with this devil. Clarify the devil. We have the Chariot. So this is fast moving success. I had said something coming in fast, boom, explosive. You're hitting the scene explosively. Singer, songwriter. It's something where you are being recognized for your skills. Sudden success with fulfillment. It's happening fast. It's happening fast for you. I feel like it's happening so fast you're losing who you are. The High Priestess. It's like you're losing who you are. Going with the flow, going where life takes you, and life is taking you on a very explosive, wonderful journey. But somewhere along the line, you lost who you were. The High Priestess. You lost who you were. You wasn't following your intuition, wasn't following guidance that was given to you, and all you were consumed with was how you can continue the success, continue feeling this fulfillment, this happiness, and it was like no matter what the cost, what the stake was, long as you were being gratified is what I'm hearing. Long as you were being gratified, it was okay, or it is okay. But Spirit wants you to know to be humble. Reflect on your priorities. What is it that you truly want to accomplish? Because somewhere along the line, you lost what it was that you truly were trying to do. It's nothing wrong with wanting to be successful. It's nothing wrong with being able to be there's nothing wrong with being famous. There's nothing wrong with being recognized. There's nothing wrong with having money, stability. Everybody wants it. But what I'm hearing is at what cost? At what cost? So Spirit wants you to know to remain humble. Keep your priorities in check. You know, be the true leader, the emperor, empress. Be the true leader that you are. Stand your ground and make sure you're doing things in the right way for the right reasons, is what I'm hearing. We have Tower. Isolation, authority, official building, loneliness, ego, government. And ego is what is standing out to me. Don't let your ego get the best of you. Thank you. We have Rider. Energy, passion, speed, activity, news, message. With all these knights out here, it's a message coming towards you. Something that you need to know in regards to the activities that you are indulging in at this time. Somebody could be coming towards you, telling you, people around you could be telling you that you're moving too fast. Like this, the success, what I'm getting is as quick as it came, it could leave. So remain humble. We have clouds, confusion, negativity, unclarity, doubt, worry, uncertainty. Yeah, you may be in a sense of confusion at this time. Being a little negative in your thinking process, negative on how you treat others, Taurus, not thinking clearly is what I'm hearing. And you have a lot of people worried about you. What else? We have Moon. Praise, feeling, emotion, imagination, intuition, inspiration. That's that intuition, that High Priestess card. You know, follow your intuition in regards to how you may be acting, how you may be feeling, your emotions, how I'm feeling like highs and lows, ups and downs. Things could be becoming too much for you with all this success. I'm hearing big head is what I'm hearing. I'm not trying to say that y'all have a big head. I'm just reading the cards and giving you what I'm getting from it. We have Fish. Business, finances, commerce, gain, wealth, abundance. See, abundance is coming towards you. What are you going to do with it? Are you going to let it get the best of you, is what I'm hearing. It's like remain humble in what you are doing. Remain humble in what you are doing. Message for Taurus. What do Taurus need to know? What do Taurus need to know? What else do Taurus need to know, Heavenly Father? Oh, yep, integrity. That's what I'm talking about. Align your actions so that you match your values and inner knowingness of what's right for you. Don't lose your integrity with this fame, fortune, this wealth. It's like, don't lose you. What you hold in high regards. Reflect on your priorities. What is important to you? What else? And then we have Archangel Michael. You're working very closely with this powerful Archangel who protects and guides you through this situation. So, okay, Archangel Michael is guiding and protecting you, making sure that you remain humble, remain true to who you are, and not letting the limelight get the best of you. Because some of you are stepping into finances, recognition that you have never seen or dreamt of before, and it's telling you to remain humble. Remember where you came from. Remember your roots is what I'm hearing. So let's find out what's the overall message for Taurus. Thank you. Gratitude. So make sure you show gratitude to divine. Make sure that you don't feel like you're too good to tell God thank you for what you have given me, for the abundance that you are showering with me at this time. Because like I said, boom, when it happens, it's an explosion. This prosperity, this abundance coming into your life is mind-boggling. It's going to make you feel like you're untouchable. That's why divine is telling you to stay humble. I'm hearing as quick as you could get it, the quick as you receive it, it can be taken away. So remain humble, show gratitude. What else? Spirit through Taurus need to know. Message from Spirit. Don't fumble the ball. Some of you could be athletes, football players, we have protection and discernment. So make sure you use your discernment when it comes to and beginnings. When it comes to this new beginning, this new life, make sure you show gratitude. You know, you are protected. But just because you're protected, that your angels and God has your back, still remember to be humble. Use your discernment. Don't let things cloud your mind, cloud your vision, and cloud what it is that you are going after or trying to achieve. So Taurus, that's your message. If it resonates, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell. Let me know how it resonates with you. I truly appreciate you all taking the time out of your day to spend with me. I am truly, truly grateful. Take what resonates and leave the rest in regards to this message. And until next time, Taurus, be blessed.